So, hi, good morning. Let's start creating a new project. So from here, inside of the Unity Hub, so what we are going to do here is just kindly create a new project. Then it will ask you to to use a template. So we need to make sure that we will be using the 3D built-in render pipeline. So that is one of the most convenient and um, the most supported template this time. So let's say this is my KR project. And I highly recommend to, um, if you're going to start adding your project name, avoid putting any special characters, comma, or spaces. So let's create the project. Let's wait for a little bit. Okay, so let's continue. So after your project loads, so you will be introduced to this interface, no, so Unity. Then from here, you will be able to see this side. This is the hierarchy side, and this is the scene view side, and the other one is the inspector side. So let me see if you can, yeah. So see that if you selected a specific game object, you'll see some of the details in this section where you can, start working on with the adjustment like positions, rotations, or scale of the specific game object. So we have here also the assets folder where you can put all your projects or let's say 3D models, sounds, images, and so on. So yeah, let's start our very first augmented reality application. So before anything else, we need to make sure that all the Android libraries like SDK, NDK are all imported. So we don't have any problems later on when we start importing our project. So from edit, let's go down to preferences. So from preferences, click the external tools. And right here, we can go ahead and scroll down. So yeah, let's go ahead and check the JDK. So it should be populated with a document path where this specific library was stored, the SDK, NDK, the Gradle. So it's all good. Just go ahead and close that. And also, let's go to File, Build, sorry, File, then Build Profiles. Then go ahead and select Android since we will be uh, using the Android platform. So click the Android, then switch platform. Okay. Just wait for a while the Unity is still compiling. So let's just wait. Okay, it's done. It's done compiling. So let's go ahead and let- check the player settings. So by the way, I'm using the Unity 6.3 LTS. That means long time support. Okay, so down here in our project settings, uh, let's go ahead and click the player, scroll down. It's up to you if you'd like to update this, the company, the default company, but I'll leave it as is for now. The other, then let's click other settings. So, so from here, let's go ahead and check. Okay, so I am going to uncheck that, so it will add up just the default project name or the package name. So here we have the minimum API level and the target API level. So the minimum API level means what is the minimum Android API level or version of your Android. Hi, morning. Musika? So we're gonna set it to maybe 9 or 10. Target API is automatic heist installed. Then I can change it from IOCP. No, I'm gonna stick to IOCP. Then ARM64. So that should be checked. Then that's it. So good. Hello, good morning. Let's close that. We will be deleting this. Changing. We can access. Uh, fun. Okay, so since the signature is missing, so we have to manage it and just select customize. Then it should have resolve the missing signature. Okay, so after one got resolved, so I just we'll just go ahead and close this one. After that, we should be able to see now the before the engine, and right here we can start adding the AR camera. So yeah, that's it. Uh, then let's add the image target. Sorry, still before the engine, image target. Now what we are lacking here is only the marker that eventually we will be getting the one inside of the Beforia website. So once again, Beforia is our database here. So image target. Say, uh, I know the crocodile. Okay. So what do you say this? Control S. Now I go to Beforia. Then I'll go to my account. Then uh, okay, let's go first to the plan and licenses. If you haven't created uh, the uh, the license yet, you can just click this link, generate basic license. So generate, click that link. So eventually you will be redirected here. Then you just simply add your um, license name, say 3D AR game. Then click confirm. So see it is added here. And then I'll go ahead and click that. We'll just copy this one. Just click this clipboard. Then I'll go back to Unity. Then from here, I will be clicking the AR camera. Then scroll down. Sorry, let me go ahead and repeat that. AR camera. Scroll down. Click the open before your configuration. Then scroll up. Then you can see that there's a box here for app license key. Go ahead and paste that. Okay, so this license is now the bridge for us able to recognize what are the uploaded markers in the Buphoria. So let's go ahead and get back to Buphoria. From here, let's go to Target Manager. So again, if you haven't created your database yet, just uh, click this button, Generate Database, and click Device, add your database name, say my DBAR or something like that, but mine is already created. So let me see what I have here. Okay, though I have the tiger one, but yeah, that's fine. So if in case you haven't uploaded your targets yet, just go ahead and add target, then choose choose image. What do you want to upload here, or the one that you created last time, the crocodile uh, image that you created, that you designed. So yeah, so say for example, let me get some of let me get a sample image here. Hopefully I can get some. Anyway, let's say for example this one. I'll be adding that, and always make sure that the width is 15. Then just add it. Once it is successfully added, just take a look the status that's still processing. You can actually reload the page to see how many stars the image that are giving you, but it should be, I mean, the ideal one is should be 3 to 5 star, which is really good because it's for sure there's a lot of augmented points that it will help your AR camera to easily recognize the marker and eventually uh, augment the 3D object. So I click the image link and I click the show features for me to see how many augmented points that are added here. So as you can see, those stars, I mean, the yellow something cross, yeah, that's the augmented points. Then, okay, so yep, I will go back to my database. Then say I will download this because I will be adding this to my Unity project. So download database, select Unity editor, then download. Okay, there we go. So from here, I can just, simply drag this database to my Unity project. So I will drop that inside of the assets. folder. So as you can see, there are another pop-up showing that that the system asking you to import. So I am going ahead to import that. Awesome. So yeah, uh, the that is completely imported. So so if I am going to click this image target crocodile, but yeah, I don't have the crocodile one, so I'm gonna change it to tiger. So this is the image target. So I am going to change the type from image to database. So database name is my DBAR. Then the image target name. So I have two choices actually because there are two images added to my database, but I'll be selecting the tiger one. Yeah, that's it. Then the one that is not, oh, sorry. Okay, so the last one that I need to add is the 3D model. So it's like, sorry, uh, since I don't have an assets of the 3D model of the tiger, so I will go to asset store. I can actually, yep, asset store. Then from here, I can go ahead and search for uh, colon tiger. So it's up to you what 3D model you guys are going to add that is related to your markers. But yeah, golden tiger. Sorry, it's not okay. There you go. So I'm going to click that. Okay. Then I just wanted to add it to my asset, but it's actually already added. So open in Unity. Now it will lead me back to Unity, asking me to import this project. So I am going to import. But if it's not downloaded it, you can go ahead and download the 3D model. Let's wait for a while. So yeah, the project is already added, so I can see it from here. So I am going to close this, um, go to the Tiger folder. So I will be adding the idle one. So I'm just gonna drop it here. And as you can see, if I'm going to double click that, is on the top of the marker. So um, so the marker is in 0, 0, 0 position right now. So I will also gonna set that for my tiger. So 0, 0, and 0. So that means he's in the middle right now, but he's facing upward. So I'm gonna rotate it to 180 degrees. Then uh, I will going to scale it up to see a bigger version of this 3D model. Then I'm gonna set it back to 0 again. The positioning, so you can see that this 3D model is standing on the marker. So after that, we already have the Uh, let's see if we can add an animation controller. There are already a tiger, but we will not use it for now since I know. So let's go ahead and save. So see, we have here the um, hierarchy level, so we have to set this up. So the tiger should be a child of the image target. Then the image target should be a child of the AR camera. So this is should how it looks like. So when the AR camera runs, then it will scan the image target. So once the AR camera recognizes the image target, so it will augment the 3D model inside of this specific 3D model, marker. So yeah, so I think that's it. And we already have our first augmented reality application. So we can actually build that up. Let's go to build settings and we can start building the application.